Hello everyone, please like and subscribe my channel Brilliant Houseplant.
If the compost of a plant soaks in water all the time, it means death for most plants. It is because plants' roots need air as well as water, so the compost should be moist, not soaked with water. Some plants want a partial drying out between waterings, but others don't. Most of us don't know that almost all the plants need a rest in winter. It means plants need less water, feeding, and heat than in the active growing period. Some plants are temporary if they die down in a matter of weeks, so don't worry about them. Most temporary plants are flowering pot plants such as cyclamen, chrysanthemum, gloxinia. In winter, a centrally heated room is as dry as a desert. Very few plants can survive in this atmosphere, but the plants like flowering plants and foliage plants will suffer. So increase humidity by misting the leaves with a mister, or group the pots together, or double pot specimen plants. After a year or two, most plants need repotting into a large container, otherwise they begin to look sick.
Thanks for watching.